Hello everyone, welcome back to ALA 24/7 with me Gaurav Singh Bhadoria, your using educator. So again, let's see some of the important questions for your upcoming examination. Once again, a very good morning. Welcome back each one of you. So quickly, let's start this session. Remaining details we will be seeing towards the end of the session. So this is the very first question. Total 8 persons were born on either on 6th or 10th of different months, Jan, March, April, May. So 4 months are given, two dates are given, so total 8 slots, 8 persons हैं, followed by certain conditions and one question that towards at the end of the question it's written, who among the following was born on 10th of March. So quickly start solving, maximum 2 to 3 minutes. चलिए shall we see the solution. So total 4 months, Jan, March, April and May. Number of days भी लिख लेंगे, 31 Jan, 31 March, 30 April and May again 30, followed by two dates, 6th and 10th. Now let's see all the conditions. D was born in a month having 30 days. So how many possibilities? Month having 30 day, only 1 month, that is April, but still it has got two dates. So दो possibility रहेंगी. Either D can born on 6th of April or D can also be born on 10th of April, because in both the cases month is same, April, 30 days. Two persons between D and D who was before D. Two between D and D, 1 to E, 1 to E, because given a E was born before D. G was born, before H but after A. तो as it is हमें place करना होगा A G H. It can be immediate, it cannot be immediate. B is not the youngest person. B is not the youngest person, so this will not be B. चलिए याद रख लेंगे. Three persons were born between F and B who was born after F. तो ये आपका F है. 1 2 3, this will be B. And it is given that B is not the youngest. B सबसे लास्ट में नहीं आएगा 10th of May में. Okay. B and F. H was not born after C, so H will be born before C. So now we have got 4 person. इसी order में इनका placement है A, G, H and C. A is not the oldest person, so A सबसे ऊपर नहीं आएगा. That's okay. F और B की placement देखते हैं. Case number 1, case number 2. तो I can place F सबसे ऊपर, दिस इज एफ 1 2 3, नहीं दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. कैन आई प्लेस एफ 6 March 1 2 3, इट इज पॉसिबल. 1 2 3 बी आ जाएगा. दिस इज द ओनली केस 1 2 3 बिकॉज बी इज नॉट द यंगेस्ट. यहाँ पे आई थिंक वी कैन गेट टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. देखते हैं. इफ आई प्लेस एफ एट टॉप, देन 1 2 3 दिस विल बी बी. देन एफ कैन नॉट बी ऑन 10th. एफ यहाँ पे अगर रखते हैं तो 1 2 3 बी नॉट पॉसिबल. So we have got only this possibility. Now how many places are remaining? 1 2 3 4, and 4 person है A G H C. So this will be A G H C. but ये गलत हो गया. Why? Because A is not the oldest person. तो यहाँ पे place कर देते हैं. It will be A G H and C. This will be the correct solution. Is it okay? चलिए moving forward next set. 2 to 3 minutes try to solve this. Have a look at the previous solution. Clear है सबको? Is it clear? B was not the youngest and A was not the oldest person. ये दो conditions आपको ध्यान रखनी थी. Then the question was easy. Moving on to the next question, 2 3 minutes. तो ये भी based है same theme पे. Total 9 persons, 9 months. Start. Done. चलिए देखिए. Let's see the question. So these are the months starting from Jan to September. V was born in one of the month having 31 days. So 1 2 3 4 5. 5 possibilities if you will start blindly with V. V was born in a month having 31 days. So let's read any other condition. U was born in Feb. Confirm information. U was born in Feb. So this will be U. U was born in Feb. Only two persons between V and T. So between V and T, two persons. Number of person TR is equal to TU. टी आर इज इक्वल टू टी यू का मतलब क्या है, टी विल बी इन मिड, दो बार आ रहा है, सो इट विल बी टी आर इज इक्वल टू टी यू। एंड देखिए यू इज ऑलरेडी देयर, यू ऑलरेडी देयर है, टी आर इज इक्वल टू टी यू और टी आपका 31 में है। नाउ आई कैन यूज दिस कंडीशन। कैसे? केस नंबर वन, टी कैन नॉट बी इन जेन बिकॉज टी यू इज इक्वल टू टी आर है, आर प्लेस हो नहीं पाएगा। दिस कैन बी टी, टी यू इज इक्वल टू टी आर। केस नंबर वन, टी को आई नीड टू प्लेस इन अ मंथ हैविंग 31 days only, this can be t, tu 2% 1 to r, this will be the case, only these possibility. In next possibility I won't be able to place r, और क्या था, टू बिटवीन v and t, this is t 1 2, this will be v 1 2 v 1 2 v, this case is wrong because 2 between v and t won't be able to place. Only 3 between s and x, s was born immediately after t, s was born immediately after t, 1 2 1 2, एक सेकेंड, v was born in one of the month having 31 days, v, okay okay okay, condition was given related to v not with t, okay okay okay, so the condition was v was in 31 days, v आपका 31 days में आया था, t was there, and u was born in Feb, confirm था, only 2% between v and t, tr is equal to tu, tu is equal to tr, okay, s immediately after t, s कहाँ पे, immediately after t, p was born before t, ठीक है, यहीं पे वी कैन स्टार्ट, v आपका t में है, v इज इन 31, चलिए केस नंबर वन, टी यू इज इक्वल टू टी आर भी करना है, केस नंबर वन, v यहाँ पे हो सकता है, v कैन बी इन 31, देन टू बिटवीन v इन t, 1 2 t, ये t हो जाएगा, देन टी यू इज इक्वल टू टी आर, दिस इज द केस, और देखिए v इज इन 31, दिस कैन बी v, इफ दिस इज v 1 2, ये आपका t हो जाएगा, राइट, देन टी यू, टी आर इज इक्वल टू टी यू, ठीक है, टी यू इज इक्वल टू टी आर, वो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, सो दिस टी इज रॉन्ग, ये v जो है आपका, दिस इज रॉन्ग, अनदर केस दिस कैन बी v, है 1 2 t कैन नॉट बी प्लेस्ड 1 2 t, बट टी आर इज इक्वल टू टी यू नहीं हो पाएगा, सो दिस v इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, ये वाला v देखिए, इफ दिस इज v देन 1 2 t, ये t हो जाएगा, टी यू इज इक्वल टू टी आर, तो ये आपका r हो जाएगा, दिस v इज पॉसिबल, ठीक है, और v लास्ट पोजीशन फॉर v, ये v है, इफ दिस इज v 1 2 t, ये t हो जाएगा, बिटवीन टी यू 2%, टी आर 2% नॉट पॉसिबल, तो ये आपके दो केसेस बन जाएंगे, ठीक है, देन इमीडिएट आफ्टर टी इट वाज s, तो ये s हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे दिस विल बी s, ओनली 3% बिटवीन s एंड x, s यहाँ पर है 1 2 3 x, नॉट पॉसिबल 1 2 3, ये आपका x हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी है वन मोर केस, ये u है, दिस इज t, दिस इज s, दिस इज r एंड दिस इज v, राइट, सो 3% बिटवीन s एंड x, s यहाँ पर है 1 2 3, x टॉप पे हो सकता है, 1 2 3, दिस कैन बी x बॉटम, ठीक है, W was born before X, W क्या था, before X and after Q but not in March, so how many places are left, तीन 1 2 3 places are left, Q W X, X के बाद, तो ये वाला केस तो गलत हो गया, यहाँ पे देखते हैं, now W is not in March, तो W डेफिनेटली जुलाई में आ जाएगा, this is W, X, दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है, एंड Q, और कुछ है, Q was not born after U, so Q will be before U, ये केस भी गलत, यहाँ पे ये Q आ जाएगा, दिस विल बी Q बिफोर यू, ठीक है, एंड W वॉज नॉट इन मार्च, ये W हो जाएगा, P वॉज बॉर्न बिफोर T, तो ये P हो जाएगा, दिस इज योर सॉल्यूशन, थोड़ा सा इरेज कर देते सो दैट यू कैन क्लियरली सी, सो अरेंजमेंट फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम विल बी दिस वन, दिस वन, ठीक है, Q U P T S R V W and X, this will be your final solution. I hope this is clear to each one of you. आगे बढ़ते हैं, फ्लोर बेस्ड 3 to 4 मिनट, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, ऑल ऑफ यू गिव इट ए ट्राई। So basically it is two variable base, 8 person 8 floor. They also like different colors. चलिए continue. चलिए लेट स्टार्ट. सो दिस इज द टेबल. 8 persons, 8 floors, 2 variable based question है. So first line is E is living on above fifth floor on a E1. तो ये हो गया. Two possibilities, either E on sixth or E on eighth. E does not like red color. ठीक है. This also we have written. Two person between the one who likes silver and E. So this is E. 1 2. This will be the person who will like silver. 1 2. This will be the person who will like silver. Two persons. K immediately above C and immediately below A. तो K जो है immediately above C and immediately below A. So these three person A, K, C will come all together. A likes pink color and lives below the one who like red. So A का favorite color is known pink and lives below the one who like red color, right? So related to red, we do not have any certain condition. A likes pink and lives below the one who likes red color. Next condition, let's see. So the one who likes black color is living on the ground floor. So black is confirmed living on ground floor. This is black living on ground floor. Only one person between the one who like black and C. So this will be C. Case one silver और यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा C. Floor number 3. Related to C, now I can place K and A. This is C. This is K. This is A. This is C. This is K. This is A. But A का color already given था pink. So this second case will go wrong. यहाँ पे I will write pink. Now this is below red. तो E के पास तो है नहीं red. Two possibilities for red, either on 8th or on 7th. Number of person between KE, KM. KE is equal to KM. तो between K and E one person, तो ये आपका M हो जाएगा. One person between K and M. ठीक है. P lives above F and below O. P lives above F and below O. तो P lives above, तो ये P हो जाएगा 7th पे. This will be P, this will be O and last bottom पे this will be F. P does not like red. अब confirm हो गया. See, above pink I have to place red. Pink 5th पे है. E does not like red and P does not like red. तो O के पास ही आएगा red. O will be red. It is now confirmed. 3 person between red and brown. So 1 2 3 this will be brown. 4th floor पे with K it will be brown. Clear till here. P does not like red. Only 3 between red and brown. ये भी done है. 3 person between green and yellow. 3 persons between green and yellow. तो एक ही possibility है. 6th floor is there and 2nd floor is there. But M does not like green and blue. और 3 थे between green and yellow. तो M does not like green. तो definitely ये आपका yellow हो जाएगा. This will be yellow. 1 2 3 ये आपका हो जाएगा green. 3 person between green and yellow. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा green. ठीक है. एम डज नॉट लाइक ग्रीन एंड ब्लू. रिमेनिंग कलर विल बी ब्लू. वो हो जाएगा किसके पी के पास. सो दिस इज योर करेक्ट एंड कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. चलिए. सो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस वी विल बी गोइंग थ्रू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस प्रीटी वेल. So this is the course related to RBI Grade B that is on a platform. You can take advantage of this particular course. So whenever you are enrolling, just try using code Y537 to avail the maximum discount. Okay. So thank you all for joining. Have a wonderful day. Take care and goodbye.